In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compute final grade using Google Sheets. If you want a quick and reliable way to calculate a student's final grade, Google Sheets makes the process simple. Instead of doing the math manually every time, you can enter a formula once and let the spreadsheet handle the calculation for you. This is especially helpful when you're working with weighted scores, where each category contributes a different percentage to the final result. To begin, open Google Sheets and go to your spreadsheet. Once you're there, make sure your sheet is organized so each score category is placed in a separate column. For example, you might have one column for the first component, another for the second, and another for the third. Keeping scores separated like this makes your formula easier to build, easier to check, and easier to update later if needed. After entering the student scores into their proper columns, find the cell where you want the final grade to appear. This is the cell where Google Sheets will display the computed result. Choosing the correct cell is important so your sheet stays neat and easy to read. Now click that cell and type the formula for the weighted grade. In this example, the formula is equals open parenthesis B2 times 30%, close parenthesis, plus open parenthesis C2 times 20%, close parenthesis, plus open parenthesis D2 times 50%, close parenthesis. Written on the sheet, that looks like this: equals sign, open parenthesis, B2, asterisk, 30%, close parenthesis, plus open parenthesis, C2, asterisk, 20%, close parenthesis, plus open parenthesis, D2, asterisk, 50%, close parenthesis. This formula means the value in cell B2 contributes 30% of the final grade. The value in C2 contributes 20%, and the value in D2 contributes 50%. Google Sheets multiplies each score by its assigned weight, then adds those results together to give you the final grade. Once the formula is entered correctly, press Enter on your keyboard. Google Sheets will immediately calculate and display the final grade in that cell. As a quick tip, double check that your percentages add up to 100%. If they don't, your final grade may not be accurate. Also, make sure the cell references match the row of the student whose grade you're calculating. That way, your result reflects the correct set of scores. And that's it. With just a simple formula in Google Sheets, you can compute final grades faster, more accurately, and with much less effort.